get her to idle, and then just burp her, and that'll do it till Wednesday. Hopefully I get back sooner, but we'll see. Alright, I started filming Saturday, didn't make it out there Sunday, and today we're having an ice snap in South Mississippi. So yeah, I probably won't get out there until Wednesday. But yeah, South Mississippi don't get weather like this, so everybody's freaking the hell out. Hope you guys stay safe out there, and basically everywhere it's snowing, and I'll get back to the project soon.